federal judge has blocked a part of a new election law just a few weeks before in-person early voting begins.
Yeah, it all has to do with same-day registration and whether, in some cases, that person's vote will count. Instead of waiting until Election Day, hundreds of thousands of North Carolinians vote early and in person. If you're not already registered to vote, then you can do that on the same day you show up at the polls. A notice is then sent to the address filled out on the registration form. If the address is wrong, then the notice is sent back to the Board of Elections. If that happens after just one attempt, then a new law passed by Republican lawmakers cancels the registration and the vote. Previously, 2 attempts were made.
It really may impact relatively few voters, but the plaintiffs in this case, North Carolina Democratic Party and some others, said it's critical to have a 2-step verification process just because it reduces the impact of mistakes.
Federal District Judge Thomas Schroeder agrees, saying it lacks notice and opportunity to be heard before removing the votes of a cast ballot from the count. So essentially this gives the Board of Elections staff, once it's returned to sender, an opportunity to look at the card and do some double checking to make sure they didn't see an 8 when it was a 6 or something like that.
Exactly. And it really does give the State Board of Elections just an additional opportunity to verify the voter's address.
North Carolina House Speaker Tim Moore responded to the ruling, saying the vast majority of the law remains in effect, including increased access for poll observers and absentee ballots due by Election Day. Moore went on to say, "We are working with our attorneys and the State Board of Elections to ensure that the entire bill is in effect before the primary and the general elections this year." Meredith College political scientist David McClendon says before an appeal is heard by the court, the injunction will likely stand through the primary.
I suspect the goal of this is to affect the general election because, that's when obviously the final decision is made by voters. So if there is an appeal made, and I suspect there will be, it will be made before the November election.
So we wouldn't even, probably see the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals take this up until after March.
Yeah.
But certainly a decision way before early voting, we would think, in November.